All new 2023 BMW M1000 RR. Powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine, which makes 212 horsepower at 14,500 RPM and 113 Nm of torque at 11,000 RPM, with a claimed top speed of 314 km per hour. The M1000 gets a new carbon fiber front fairing with air intake and a higher windscreen to increase top speed and improve airflow around the rider. Newly developed winglets produce up to 22.6 kilograms of downforce depending on speed. New weight-optimized full acropovic titanium exhaust system helps in further weight reduction. New carbon fiber M brake ducts with optional M aero wheel covers helps to keep the brakes cool and reduce turbulence at the front wheel. The bike is equipped with special M brakes. The standard equipments on the new M1000 includes ABS and ABS Pro riding modes, pit lane limiter, launch control, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, slide control, dynamic brake control, shift assistant Pro, automatic hill start support Pro. TFT display with exclusive M startup animation, heated grips, cruise control and M chassis kit with tail rise kit and swinging arm pivot. The bike can also be equipped with other optional items like M competition package with M billet pack, M carbon package, passenger pack and much more. The curb weight of the new M1000 is 193 kgs.